Michael Boyle for Stack.com with more training tips. In today's tip, we're going to talk a little bit again about plyometric training. We're going to talk about terminology. What's a hop? What's a jump? How to do them. And we might get back to that idea of working on landing skills before we do a lot of our explosive training. Nick's going to demonstrate for us the thing that we want to see here. Hop is one leg landing, one leg takeoff. So if we do hurdle hops, Nick is going to go through those hurdles on a single leg, taking off and landing. Initially, we're going to put, again, that eccentric emphasis. We want to work on our landing skills. Probably not true plyometric in the sense that we're not reacting to the ground. We're just trying to develop that ability to land, to stabilize. I think this is a key injury prevention standpoint. Jumps, two-leg takeoff, two-leg landing. So when Nick goes to that next set of hurdles, now we're going to see a jump. One of the things that you realize here is that people confuse jumps and hops. And so we've got to make sure that people understand when we're talking about hops, the term single leg hop is actually redundant, because when we say hop, we should mean single leg. Any type of hurdle hop that's done on one leg is a hop. If it's done on two legs, it's a jump. The big thing that we want to get here, the second set, and we'll just use jumps as an example, Nick will go through and give us one bounce in between, which will be kind of our phase 2 activity. And this is where we start to make it a little bit plyometric, because what we're looking at is we're getting that little mini bounce in there. So now we're thinking about changing from a lengthening to a shortening contraction. And then in the last phase, so this for us really is weeks 10, 11, 12, we're going to really do plyometrics. We're going to go continuously through the hurdle, and now we're into this idea, this resist, react, repel, the stuff that you think about in conventional plyometric training. For us, actually takes about 9 weeks to get there. We've got 3 3-week phases before we'll get that are really centered around developing our landing skills, developing that ability to get a little bit of elasticity and to switch from an eccentric to concentric, and then get that true plyometric. But my thing is we're always going to get there. I say we got to get there with 0 injuries, 0 tendinitis, 0 knee problems, and our progression works to do that for us. When we talk about sets and reps progression, so generally for us, if on our linear days, we may jump the first linear day, hop the second linear day. So the first day might be hurdle jumps. We might do 5 sets of 5 hurdles. The second linear day, which let's just say we're doing Monday and Wednesday in our summer program, would be hurdle hops, and we're going to do probably 3 sets of 5 jumps and landings on each leg. So we're going to go through right, left, right, left, right, left. Same idea that we talked about before. We're mixing these in with our medicine ball throws, so we're doing a set of jumps. Our rest, or a set of hops, our rest becomes our upper body medicine ball exercise for that day, whether it's chest passes or overhead slams or rotational throws, all things that we either have shown you or will show you in some future episodes. So the idea is we're again using that concept that we talked about very early in the series of pairing exercises, and we're pairing our power exercises so that we create that density, we create that streamlined workout that allows you to be continually moving and getting a lot done during the course of your workout. I'm Michael Boyle for Stack.com. We'll see you next week with another strength and conditioning tip.